In our fast-paced, hyper-connected world, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the constant demands of modern life. From work stress to social media pressure, many people are finding it increasingly difficult to maintain a sense of balance. However, an ancient practice, travel, has been gaining recognition as a powerful tool for improving mental health and emotional well-being. When combined with nature, travel can be transformative, offering a much-needed escape, grounding, and the opportunity for self-discovery. In this piece, we'll explore how traveling, particularly to nature-focused destinations, can have profound mental health benefits. We'll also provide practical advice on how to make travel a tool for personal growth and emotional wellness. 1. The therapeutic power of nature. There's something inherently healing about spending time in nature. Whether it's the rhythmic sound of ocean waves, the rustle of leaves in the wind, or the beauty of a mountain range, nature has a remarkable ability to restore our mental and emotional health. Research in the field of environmental psychology has shown that exposure to natural environments has several positive effects on mental well-being. Stress reduction. Studies have demonstrated that spending time in nature reduces cortisol levels, the hormone associated with stress. Natural settings, especially those that are tranquil and untouched, can induce a state of relaxation that is often hard to achieve in urban environments. Improved mood. Nature offers an escape from the daily grind, and even short exposures have been shown to reduce feelings of anxiety and depression. Immersing oneself in the outdoors can improve mood and increase feelings of contentment and happiness. Cognitive restoration. Mental fatigue is a byproduct of prolonged exposure to stressful environments. Nature has a way of rejuvenating our cognitive functions, allowing us to focus better and think more clearly. This is known as cognitive restoration, and it's why people often feel more alert and mentally refreshed after spending time outdoors. Mindfulness and presence. Nature encourages mindfulness, being fully present in the moment. The sights, sounds, and smells of the natural world anchor us in the here and now, which helps break the cycle of overthinking and rumination. 2. Exploring new environments and cultures for emotional growth. While nature itself offers numerous mental health benefits, the act of travel, especially to unfamiliar or culturally rich destinations, further enhances the therapeutic experience. Traveling to new places allows you to step outside of your comfort zone, engage with different cultures, and develop a deeper understanding of yourself. Here's how. Personal growth through new experiences. Travel forces us to navigate unfamiliar environments, which fosters resilience, adaptability, and problem-solving skills. The challenges and new experiences encountered while traveling encourage self-discovery and confidence. Whether you're navigating a foreign city, learning a new language, or trying an activity you've never done before, each experience builds emotional strength and personal growth. Building connections and empathy. Traveling often leads to meeting people from diverse backgrounds, fostering a sense of interconnectedness and empathy. These encounters help break down biases, broaden perspectives, and offer a sense of belonging. Being part of different cultures and witnessing how others live can help alleviate feelings of isolation and encourage a deeper sense of gratitude and appreciation for life. Breaking the routine and overcoming burnout. The routine of daily life can be draining, leading to burnout and a sense of stagnation. Traveling provides an opportunity to reset and refresh your mind. By stepping away from the demands of work, family, or other responsibilities, you create space for reflection, creativity, and emotional renewal. 3. The healing benefits of solitude in nature. For many people, travel means disconnecting, not just from work, but also from social pressures and constant connectivity. Taking time away from digital distractions allows for solitude, which can be incredibly healing, particularly when combined with nature. Reconnecting with yourself. Solitude in nature gives you the opportunity to reconnect with yourself. It allows for introspection and self-reflection, helping you understand your true desires, values, and goals. Whether you're hiking through the forest or lounging by the beach, nature creates a space for deep reflection and self-awareness. Alleviating anxiety and overwhelm. Being alone in nature can help reduce feelings of anxiety and overwhelm. Many people feel constantly on due to the pressures of modern life, and solitude can offer much-needed respite. The quiet and stillness of nature offers an environment where you can breathe deeply, clear your mind, and reset emotionally. Enhanced creativity and problem-solving. Solitude in nature often leads to moments of creativity and clarity. Without the noise and distractions of daily life, your brain has the freedom to think more clearly and creatively. Many people report moments of insight or problem-solving breakthroughs during quiet walks or while gazing at a beautiful natural landscape. 4. Practical tips for using travel as a tool for wellness. Now that we've explored the many mental health benefits of travel, here are some practical tips for making travel a tool for personal growth and emotional well-being. A. Choose destinations with healing potential. Seek out destinations known for their therapeutic qualities, such as national parks, coastal retreats, or mountain getaways. Whether it's a remote cabin in the woods or a peaceful lakeside escape, find a place that offers both natural beauty and the opportunity for solitude. B. Embrace slow travel. Rather than rushing from one tourist attraction to the next, embrace the concept of slow travel. Spend more time in one location, immerse yourself in the local culture, and allow for spontaneous exploration. Slow travel encourages mindfulness and a deeper connection to your surroundings. C. Prioritize disconnecting. When traveling, make it a point to disconnect from your phone and other digital distractions. Allow yourself to be present in the moment, whether you're exploring a nature trail, enjoying a local meal, or simply sitting in a quiet spot to take in the scenery. D. Engage in nature-based activities. To fully immerse yourself in the healing power of nature, engage in activities that connect you with the outdoors. Hiking, swimming in natural bodies of water, or practicing yoga in a peaceful natural setting can help reduce stress and improve your overall sense of well-being. E. Reflect and journal. Travel provides ample opportunities for reflection. Carry a journal and write down your thoughts, feelings, and insights as you journey. Journaling allows you to process emotions, track personal growth, and record moments of inspiration. Reflecting on your travel experiences can deepen your connection to the process and help you grow emotionally. F. Travel with purpose. Consider traveling with a specific wellness goal in mind. Whether it's to relax, seek clarity, engage in physical activity, or learn something new, having a purpose for your travel can provide focus and help guide your experience. Set intentions before you leave and reflect on how the journey aligns with your personal goals. 5. The long-term benefits of travel for mental health. The therapeutic effects of travel extend beyond the trip itself. Regular travel, especially when combined with nature and mindfulness, can contribute to long-term emotional well-being. When you integrate travel into your lifestyle, you may find that you're better able to cope with stress, remain grounded in challenging situations, and maintain a more positive outlook on life. Moreover, travel offers opportunities for continuous learning and growth. Whether you're discovering new cultures, learning new skills, or simply broadening your horizons, the experiences you gain while traveling shape who you are, build your resilience, and offer valuable lessons for emotional growth. Traveling to nature-focused destinations offers much more than just a scenic getaway. It provides powerful therapeutic benefits for mental health. From reducing stress and anxiety to fostering personal growth and creativity, exploring new environments and cultures has the potential to refresh, rejuvenate, and renew our minds. By consciously making travel a part of your self-care routine and focusing on the healing power of nature, you can cultivate emotional well-being and personal growth. So, pack your bags, step into the wild, and wander for wellness. The journey to better mental health may be closer than you think, waiting for you in the world outside.